Welcome back to the daily forex. So this is the US 30 market, and we're gonna do some good analysis on this market and see how we can be profitable in this type of market, and how we can trade this market successfully. All right, so let's get on with it. So right now we're on the US 30 market, and this is the current market trend line on the downward trend towards the oversold position right here. So the market have been selling for a very long period of time. You can see at this point right here on the 1 minute time frame, the market have been selling for a long period of time. And if we go over to the 1 hour time frame to confirm a good entry as always, so we'll go over to the 1 hour time frame. All right, now on the 1 hour time frame right here, the market is at the overbought towards this point right here. You can see at this point right here, the market bought up to this point. So it's now time for the market to retest again right here for a sell. All right, the market have been buying, now it's time for the market to sell. Okay, so what we're going to do right here is to put in some indicators that will be able to help us see how we can trade the US 30 market. So I'm going to put on the RSI just to level this trading chart right here. I like using the RSI to make sure the chart looks good a lot. So put in the relative strength index right here. I'll set the levels to here 9010, as you can see, with a style 4 pixel with the color of black. You can check on the parameters as well to see the one you can use and the one that will be able to fit for your trading style. The style here, you put it on the color white right here. I put it on the color of my screen with the first line trend line here. Then that's it. Now you can see how perfect and my trading chart is at this very moment in time. All right, now the next indicator I'm going to put in the moving average just to see where the market is going. Put that on the main window right here, the moving average on the main window real quick. Now remember that this is the 1 hour time frame. So the market have sold right here. If you take it to this ending point right here, you see that the market sold, so the market will buy. Although the market is at the overbought, if you take a little bit zoom right here, you can see that the market is at the overbought right here, but the market have sold. And you remember that it takes hourly time frame, which is per hour for each candle takes to move a little bit, because this is the 1 hourly time frame. So it take 1 hour for the market to drop, another hour for the market to drop again. So it has been selling for hours, so the market should retest, right? The market should retest. So we're looking for a buy signal if you want to scalp this market. All right, we're looking for a buy signal, although this market is going towards a downward trend right now, but it will still buy again. Okay, so this is a good opportunity whereby you want to place a buy and just get that little advantage of price movement in the market. Okay, so we're saying that the moving average is showing us a downward trend at this very point, because the market have been selling for a long period of time, and it will buy a little bit. Okay, although at this point right here, at this point towards the historical trend right here, the market have been buying, so the market would sell, right? The market have bought for a very long period of time, so the market would start selling. And we're seeing right here that the market have also sold, so the market could retest again and sell again. Okay, so if you want to take that little advantage, you can look for a buy entry just to scalp that little price movement. But know that this market is a sell, because the moving average is giving us a signal right here. You can see that the market is going towards the downward trend right here. So if you're on the US 30 market, the market is going towards the downward position for a sell entry. Okay, now if you go to the 1 minute time frame right here, the 1 minute time frame can literally tell us that this market is going towards the downward trend here. You see, if you take a little bit zoom out of the market is going towards the downward trend here, and also is curving upwards. You can see if you zoom out this like that, you can see that the trend line here is going downward, then it went upwards, and still going following that straight pattern. So what you should do is that From here now, the market will start going like this towards the downward trend, but it will follow, the straight line pattern here. From here now, it will go like this before, it will retest upwards again, before it will retest upward again. So you can see this is the pattern which the market is going to follow. So right here, I'll put in a MACD indicator on indicator window 1, fast EMA 14, slow EMA 24, on the MACD SMA on the level of 10, where you apply to close. The main I put on 4 pixels with color black, signal on red. All right, just like that. So you can see at this point right here, price gets to the level of 90. At this point, at the market retest for a sell. You can see at this point here, price gets to this point and the market retest. All right, remember that I told you guys that the market is going to buy a little bit. We just saw that little spiked that it bought, then it dropped down a little bit, right? So that's a an entry point whereby you can literally just get that little buy entry and scalp the market from there. But the market is going to sell a very good sell entry at this very point. All right, now you can see that here this is a good strategy. Here the price gets to this level of 90, the market retests for a sell. All right, just as you can see right here. Okay, and when you get to this point right here, the market bought. If you take a little bit zoom into this market right now, from this point here, you can see level of 10, the market bought, started to buy, going upwards, although it retested again. Now for you to trade the market successfully, you look for another buy entry position. Take a little bit zoom into the market right here. You can see the market is start, look at it, level of 10 is buying at this very point. Although it will buy a little bit, then it will retest again, because on the 1 hour time frame, the market is showing us that this right here is going to sell. All right, look at it, the moving average is already going towards the downward position, so it's giving us a very good signal for sell entry. And this is a good analysis on the US30 market. So if you are trading this market, this is the type of pattern and strategy you want to check out for, and proper analysis for you to be able to trade this market successfully as well. Okay, now this is the parameters and also indicator that I use. Okay, combination of the RSI and the MACD and the moving average indicator. Okay, so when you're trading this type of market, you should always follow the trend line, and also always use the moving average and put that on the main window so that you can see the flow of the price, okay, where the market is going. If like right now, we are certainly and we are sure that this market is going towards a downward trend, because take a look at the previous trend here, the market have bought for a very long period of time. So what should happen? The market should retest again for a sell entry, and the 1 minute time frame is actually telling us that this is a good sell position. Although it will buy a little bit, then it will sell. So if you want to scalp the market for a buy, what you should do is to place a little bit buy to scalp the market, but know that this market is going towards a downward trend for a sell. Okay, so if you found value, do well to like and subscribe to the channel, the Daily Forex, for more some trading tips and strategies. I'll see you guys on the next strategy.